Hi, my name is Sue, and this is assignment number 2 for Learning to Teach Online, and this is June of 18. The name of the project that I'm doing is Designing a Concept-Based Class for Nursing Students. A little history to go with this is that on campus, the students come and they will do an online Blackboard summative test, and we have time on campus where we historically have given a class right after the test. We have found that that really doesn't work too well. The students are pretty wired up. They're more interested in the exam results. Trying to get them to focus on a class is difficult. So we thought that if we were able to do some type of online class for them, with them, that they might be able to, they will do it when they want to, when they're ready for it, when they're ready to learn at a time of their choosing. And we thought that that might be a lot beneficial rather than trying to teach them after a class. So the purpose, that's the history behind this project, and we hope to be able to implement it this fall semester. So the activity itself is we would like to personally, I would like to create an asynchronous class with a variety of what I call active learning features. And in this case, we teach, our curriculum is a concept-based curriculum. Nursing students are generalists. They have so much to learn about just many things, and we've 3 years ago we decided to go with a concept base where the students will focus on a particular concept, which is like a big picture, and then within that concept we will narrow their focus. So in this case we're going to narrow it to visual impairment, and my audience of course is nursing students. And the students, we've done it for 3 years. It seems to work well this way. The one thing we haven't done is take it from a synchronous face-to-face class and make it allow the students to do it on their own time rather than having them all come to campus at the same time. So the goal is that they would understand, they would walk away with a solid understanding of the concept that the class is designed to review, and the students would have to participate. They would be given complete instructions. I would have to make a couple of instructional videos for them on like how to use a wiki, for example, and that sort of thing. So most of the activities that they would be doing, they've already been exposed to, so it won't be that won't be as much of a learning curve for them. They all do need to have access to a computer, which they do, and if they don't, they certainly can. They go to libraries, come to campus, and that sort of thing. But they would all have to have access, and they would all have to have internet access. They would it would be self-paced. They would be able to do it when they want. I'm planning to divide it up into short segments. The attention span for learning is short chunks of information tend to be better retained, and what I also plan to do is monitor them in each of the segments because of quizzing and that sort of thing. I also want to be able to give them feedback individually and also give them feedback as a group. One of the sections is a group project, very quick, small group project, which they are used to doing, but not necessarily doing it online. And then ultimately, the goal would be that I would be able to redesign, improve this project, and be able to use it again in the future. And I would do this by using their feedback and my feedback analysis too on how it went. And that's all I have for question 1.